Hi beautiful, I had mentioned that we ordered some paint pens. Oh, here they are. They're the Artistro paint pens. They're multi-surface paint pens. They're water-based and they're also non-toxic. It comes with 12 markers, 12 different colors. They're so pretty. And yeah, the card says that they are a family-owned business and they would appreciate us leaving a review. And yeah, they show on the card that they have an Instagram. Here is their Instagram account. And they also have a YouTube channel. It's called Artistro. And you could check them out to see how they actually use these paint pens, just in case I make any mistakes, because, you know, this is the first time I'm using them. But I left that little clip in there so you can see the instructions. You're supposed to shake them well with the cap on and then pump the air out on the tip, which I figure out kind of on my own a little later. I didn't really take much time to read the instructions. But yeah, you can see that I started drawing and I was like, why isn't the paint coming out? But yeah, you're supposed to pump the tip, and then once the paint comes out, then it's ready to use. And watch how beautiful this looks. I mean, I'm going over the Sharpie that I did yesterday just to see the difference. And as you can see, I mean, it's so nice and so convenient. I loved it. I really love it. So I keep trying here. One thing I will say is that because the tip is plastic, it was kind of slippery on the surface. And I don't think that the surface of the nail, like since it's a rounded surface, helped much. But I mean, this worked really nice. So if you're the type to like nail art or just like art in general, I would definitely recommend these. I really loved it, and I was just playing around trying to do different things. And here I try to do little things. Oh, see how I'm like dabbing it to see it dries very quickly. And yeah, so I'm just trying to show you. I think I'm gonna get a new hand, because practice hand, because I am struggling a lot and I can't really do much with the practice hand, so I'm gonna need to fix that. But yeah, I show you the silver one. Wait until you see the silver one. It looks so freaking pretty. And what else did I want to tell you? I feel like I missed something. But yeah, look at the silver. Look how beautiful it looks. I freaking loved it. Oh, what I wanted to tell you before was that one thing I didn't try was using a top coat over these to see if, you know, if everything was kosher and everything's good. But yeah, I'm sure it's fine, seeing as that it dried so quickly. But that's the only thing I don't show on here. But look at the color payoff. So pretty. I freaking love it. Lord knows what was I trying to draw? I have no idea what I was doing, but I just wanted to show you how nice it is. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you all of the different colors. Let me know if you guys want a swatch video on all of these. I will definitely do that for you. And yeah, I hope that my videos are helping you find what you want. Thank you guys for always being here. Please subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next video.